Today I'm going to change out the exhaust system on my 2023 Yamaha Tracer 7. There's nothing wrong with the stock exhaust. Performance of the bike's great and it sounds pretty good, but changing it out will give me save me a bit of weight. I think it's just over 2 kilos, the one that I've chosen. And also I'm not a fan of the looks of the stock exhaust. The stubby end can's not too bad, but I just don't like the big bulky cap converter underneath. And I prefer the exhaust, the tailpipe, to come up by the back wheel rather than in front of it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to end up with. The exhaust that I've chosen is from Arrow. It's a full system, headers and tailpipe, etc. So yeah, I'm going to get that switched out today and see what difference it makes. So first, let's fire it up and listen to the stock exhaust. And this is the finished result, which I think looks much better. Let's have a close-up. Carbon end tail. It's aluminium, it's street legal, retains the O2 sensor, but just a cleaner look at the front. And I just prefer the removal of the bulky box and also the upswept exhaust. It's more my style. Let's see what it sounds like. So there it is, Arrow exhaust replacing the original Yamaha exhaust. Sounds great, looks good, and saves about 2.3 kilos. So yeah, happy with that, and I can't wait to ride it now.